All right, let's crack the code on similar shapes. I promise it's way easier than you think.
You know when you stretch or shrink a photo on your phone? You're already using this concept.
Seriously, that's the whole deal. Similar just means it's the same shape, just a different size.
But how do you prove it in math? Easy. It's just a simple two-step check.
First, check if the angles match. Second, check if the sides are scaled up perfectly. Let's try it.
Okay, look at these two rectangles. They look similar, right? But you know math, we gotta prove it.
First up, the angles. They're rectangles, so all the corners are 90 degrees. Step 1, done.
All right, on to step 2, the sides. We'll set up ratios to see if they match.
Let's match the short sides. That's 2 and 4. So our ratio is 2/4.
Now the long sides, we've got 3 and 6. That gives us a ratio of 3/6.
So are these ratios equal? Yep, they both simplify to 1/2. The sides are proportional.
And there you have it. Both rules passed. These rectangles are officially similar.
Okay, but what about when shapes try to trick you? This is why these rules are so important.
Now these two shapes have the same angles, so they have to be similar, right? Let's check.
This pair of sides gives us a ratio of 1/2. Looking good so far.
But hold on, this other pair of sides has a totally different ratio. That is not 1/2.
See? The ratios don't match, so the sides are not proportional. Case closed.
So even though they kind of looked alike, these shapes are definitely not similar.
Oh, and by the way, here are 3 common sense shortcuts for similarity. Super handy to know.
You've totally cracked the code. The big takeaway? Always check both rules, angles and proportional sides.